You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of this brand, luxury goods company. If you want to learn more names from fashion and luxury, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all. It's mainly stationery, notebooks. Smythson. I think some people do pronounce the TH, but it makes it a little bit confusing, as in Smythson. So generally, it's pronounced as Smythson. Okay, so just ignore the TH. Just consider that it's included in the S, but it's just definitely Smythson, not Smythson. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.